So he got a helicopter. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's not gonna work. Ow!
Close up. Wanna try that again?
I got attacked by this guy.
Oh shoot.
Okay, hold on. Landed on my hand. You scared me with that thing. Hold on, let me hold it first. Hold on, stop. Stop it! Stop. Wait, let me pick it up! Ah, that's gonna touch my toe. Ah, that scares me.
It's running low. I need to save that devil. You're okay? Honey, are you okay? Catch it on your head. Put your hand under it.
I did. There, I got it. Close up.
Oh, close up?
No, I meant me. No, like, I was doing a close up.
Ooh.
It looks like a little bug.
I'll get ya. I'm scared. Frosty?
It's a little buggy.
Frosty, please.
It's a dragonfly.
Frosty? Frosty? Come here, little boy.
He's not even controlling it. Is it hard to control it?
No. Yeah.
Controller. It's really high quality technology.
Oh, I landed it too. Look at it. Look how it landed.
Sure it did.
It did.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna bring it back for my own. It's about to die, so might as well try this. Won't get far off my head.
Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it.
Yay!
Okay, start it. It feels. Is it gonna go?
It's dead. It's dead.
You killed the bug.
Look.
You killed it.
What
Bye.
happens? Hey, no, I need to show them something.
Fine.
Look how I charge it. How do you work like that, little boy? I'm the controller of you. You're not the controller of yourself. Maybe not.
Yeah, its blades things right here are sharp enough to cut your finger off.
Hi. What's your name?
Is that a
Billy.
dragonfly?
No, Billy. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Billy.
Evil SpongeBob.
What? No, it's Billy the dragonfly. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.